Hey everyone, enjoy the show. It's Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing? Happy Friday to you. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California, even though we're all wearing masks. What we have here is a reversed glass sign for Moxie drinks. This is a type of retail sign that would have been in like a grocery store, drugstore, hotel, restaurant, yada, yada, yada. It's really in cool shape. It's got the equestrian theme to it, classic car. So if you are into vintage advertising, Moxie specific, or just want something damn cool for your place, this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.